and he's been coming to us for quite a while, probably like what, over a year now?
Yeah, almost.
Yeah, about a year now for his low back pain. He does a lot of work at the gym, so he's constantly got a lot of tightness, a lot of stiffness in the muscles and the joints, so we're just gonna work on him here today. All right, can you drop your arms down for me?
Sure.
Thank you very much. I'll lower your headpiece down. Okay, so a lot of people get a lot of tightness in the shoulders here. Silent's no exception. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to tilt your head to the side. I think your head's still attached, right?
Yeah. So far, so good.
One more in there, and tilt your head to the other side. Alright, you can go ahead and pick your hands up. I'm going to lower you down. And then we'll go ahead and start by having you lay on your side facing me.
Okay.
We'll work on the low back. Squeeze your hips towards the edge for me. Perfect. Relax your shoulders. Take tight hugs, don't be shy.
Okay.
Jeez, what did you do to yourself in the gym today?
I'm sick.
Oh, that's super stiff. Alright, go ahead and roll on your other side. Okay, scoot your hips towards the edge there for me. Relax your shoulder.
Okay.
Good. Okay, bend this knee. There we go. You can lay on your back. Still breathing? Kinda.
Yep, all good. Very good.
Bend your knees up for me. Sit on the bench there. Alright, so we're going to work on the mid back. Give yourself a big tight hug. Hold tight. Alright, tuck your chin to your chest. And relax all the way down. Good one. Alright, you can scoot down on the table a little bit. See if we have anything left up here. Stretch you out a little bit. Alright, so these muscles up here, we call those the levator scapula muscles. And they basically attach from your shoulder blade to the top of your neck. And these muscles will get tight, and a lot of patients, as a result of a lot of cell phone use, leaning over, poor posture, things of that nature. So most people will have a lot of tightness in these muscles. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
One more. Alrighty, so we're all done. How are you feeling? Still good?
Yeah, great.
Awesome, right? Like
Yeah.
a new man.
Yeah.
Alright.